Oh no! I've got a cold! Sniffles, sniffles, go away. Ruby can't join the fun today. Here's some soup so warm and sweet, a fluffy blanket to cover your feet. Oh, thank you. Cough, cough, don't you stay. We will chase the germs away. Sip some tea and rest your eyes, and dream of snowflakes soft and bright. Fever, fever, cool down please. Let's help you rest with gentle ease. Soft tissues for your runny nose, a warm hug and some warm soft clothes. Headache, headache, leave her be. Let Ruby rest by the calming sea. Here's a pillow soft and snug, and waves of dreams in a gentle hug. Little one, don't you feel so blue? Hugs and love will comfort you. Here's a kiss and a lullaby, and soon your worries will say goodbye. Oh, thanks, Granny.